guys, check this out. They're putting in the chute for the grain bin over here. So the grain goes down the chute, goes into the conveyor, I guess, and then goes into this bin. So it's pretty cool. Kind of crazy how they do it. Actually, no, that's for this bin. Sorry. It's not for this bin over here. By the way, our big bin's done. It was done a while ago. I think we're gonna start wheat harvest today. Combine's all ready to go. So, yeah, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now, so. Are we ready? We got the combine, the grain cart, and the red truck. We gotta get a couple more things done, but we'll probably start in an hour, so. Man, it looks good. Does anybody else like the smell of burgers on the grill? Alright, well, I'm running the combine here, and it's running alright. I busted a sickle because rock got in the sickle, busted it, so. But otherwise, it's going alright. We're running about 66, 60s in the 60s, which kind of sucks, but it's about average, so. Yeah, I just, basically all your controls are here and then your steering wheel is here, so, yeah. It's, well, I don't know, it's pretty simple once you get used to it. So, yeah. See, this stuff's kind of fell over and kind of sucks to combine, but you just gotta be careful and not hit a rock. I think on this part of the field we're fine, but yeah, we're running about 3 miles an hour, well, 3.5 miles an hour. If you're lucky, you get 4, but it's just kind of, but the stuff that's standing up like right here, you get 4, so yeah, hopefully my camera's not upside down. But yeah, back here, so there's some trash in there. It's not too bad. But yeah, John Deere. We have a John Deere 9770. So, in case anybody's wondering. So yeah, am I upside down? I don't think I'm upside down, but auto steer. It's 523 currently. So yeah, it's just back and forth, I guess. And then you unload every time you get back down to the field. So yeah. The moisture is about 15%. It was like 16 or 17 when we first started, but that was 4 or 5 hours ago. So yeah, Dad started combining. He did that half of the field, and then I'm doing this little. All right, so just turned around. We're going about 3.4. It's kind of hard to tell. But on focus there. So this is your go faster, go slower stick, and it has all your controls up here. So if you want your header to go up, you just hit a button, it goes up. I liked it how it was. I'm not gonna touch it. Then the reel, that's that spinny black thing in the front. You can control that on here. You can control your auger and your auto steer, and if you're a dummy, you just hit button 3, and it does it all for you. So yeah, you got to be careful because on the other end of the field there's some rocks. So yeah, I wasn't paying attention, and I guess I was focusing on unloading this, and I wasn't looking, and the sickle stopped, and then I looked down. I was like, "Oh crap!" The sickle stopped, so we had to replace the sickle, but it's no big deal. I hope. You can see all the dust in the bag. So yeah, you just go back and forth and until you break something, and then you stop. But yeah, this header is kind of a pain in the butt sometimes because the sickles stop or get plugged up, so you gotta like get out, and most of the time you don't have to get out, and that's the dummy light that says you're almost full. So yeah, then you gotta slow down for spots like this. No big deal. Just slow down. Put your header down, put your reel out farther. So then you just kind of send it the rest of the way. So this wheat is now it's at 70. It was at 70. So yeah, I don't know. I saw 80 on here for a little bit, for a few seconds, and then I saw like 50 for a minute one time. But I don't know. It goes anywhere from 50 to 80 or over there across those trees. That's another farm over there, by the way. But over there, we had wheat about 6 years ago, and it was 100 bushels to the acre, and that's like insane. I think it was at like 100 or 110 or something, I don't know. Alright, so it's like 9 o'clock, yeah, and we're still going, but it's getting pretty tough. Like I said, I'm only going 2 miles an hour, almost 3 miles an hour, so yeah. So we're gonna go, I don't know, maybe get a couple more rounds, then we'll probably be done. So yeah, more of the same. Wish the green was a little bit. Another one of these stupid rocks. Oh, here's a good outside view of the combine. Oh, put that back on. Yeah, I've had like 5 of these on the head. Oh, there's 2 of them. That's not good. Yeah, sometimes these get on the header, but you know, it's kind of lodged wheat, so you kind of have to cut low, and sometimes you pick up rocks. Hey, here's a good outside view of the combine. Alright, let's go. Got green in here. Yep. I love this sound. They got a south wind, which is kind of interesting, so the wind's all blowing that way. All the dust is blowing that way too, so. Yeah, just cruising right along at like 2.8 miles an hour. Earlier, there's the dummy light again. Earlier, I could probably go about 4, maybe 3.8. I was going, maybe, I don't know. So, yeah. Just cruising along. So if you hit button 3, it does GPS, your header height, and something else I brought. Actually, I think that's it, yeah. So all you really got to do is go faster or slower and your steering wheel, and that's pretty much it. I know the new combines, they pretty much drive themselves, which is pretty interesting. The only thing I think you have to do is just turn. Alright, so I guess this is the last pass for me. Because I guess my dad wants to take over, or I think we might be done, I don't know. But they're up there, so I'm just gonna cruise my way over there at 3 miles an hour, and then I think I'll be done. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock anyway. I'm sure my mom wants me back in the house, so yeah. Well, so thanks for watching again. Subscribe and like and all your stuff. So yeah.